God bless you so much for always watching my videos, commenting, liking and sharing. This is Mama Francisca. Please, if today is your first time of watching my videos, kindly subscribe to my channel, click on the notification button and click on all. Then afterwards, after watching the video, please comment, share and like. God bless you. Today, by the grace of God, we are going to have a wonderful direction. If you are kind of a person that is going through this bedwetting problem, get a black thread. If you are in Ghana, get the old type that we used to pleat our hair with it or tie our hair with it. But if you are not in Ghana, make sure you get a black thread. Cut an amount that will be enough to be around your waist plus the one that you used to tie. Get any form of fire. It could be the cooker fire or coal pot. Stretch the thread on it in a way that it's not going to tear, but at least some kind of heat will affect it. When you are done, make sure you urinate into whatever that you urinate into it first. Tie this on your waist and make sure that it is properly fixed by tying it about 2 or 3 times. You don't have any number to tie it. All I'm trying to say, make sure that you secure it well and sleep. I am telling you, doing this for about a week, that weary spirit will vanish. In fact, every form of attack has something that you can use to touch it for that thing to be freed. And for bedwetting, this is a very powerful direction for it. You can do this as many times as you can until you realize that that kind of spirit has vanished out of your life. And I tell you, afterwards, you will never go through that disgraceful attack again. God bless you. May the Lord keep you. If there's any more direction you want me to help you with it, WhatsApp me on 0542 61 9011 or 024 665 7200. God bless you. That's Mama Francisca. Until I come your way once again, you are blessed and highly favored. Amen.